Abot na good, maayong buntag. Good morning sa lahat ng mga OFW sa Luzon, Visayas at sa Mindanao. Sa mga followers dyan, supporters nga nagmahal sa isang coach. So, ito po yung bisyo natin. Dumating na po yung bisyo natin. Ayan. So, napakadami ito. Ito binili natin. Ito po yung bisyo natin. Mga box po ito. So, para ito po yung kayamanan, no? Sabi na, bago ka mag-leverage, muna, embrace yourself muna, embrace yourself. Kaya ito yung ginagawa ko, para mag-leverage din ang ating characters, ang ating dilang business, ang ating mind. Ayan, so, ating spirit. Okay, so buksan na natin yung pisa. Ano ang mga mentor nating mga box. So, i-use mo dyan nga. Hindi na mabalik to. Naka-video ba talaga yan? Okay. So, mag-isip ka nga ano dyan. Magkamali-mali itong video to. Okay, ito yung first open natin na box. So, kasi po dyan ay. Ito po. Sa natin. Okay. Rich dads. Retire young. Retire rich. How to get rich and stay rich. Robert T. Kiyosaki. Okay, Robert ni, no? Ayan, so Robert and Kim Kiyosaki, PG 1994, pre-Atlas. Retire young, retire rich is about how we started with nothing and retired financially in less than 10 years. Find out how you can do the same. If you do not plan on working hard all your life, this book is for you. What not retire young and retire rich, no? Ayan, so, ayan, magpahinga ka, mag-retire ka, sabi niya, napakayaman mo, okay? Ayan, so next, buksan po natin ito. Ito na naman yung box, yung GNT, no? Yeah, order ko ito sa Shopee, ito to. Shopee, or sa TikTok, dalawa lang kayo ng ko dyan eh. Okay, ito yung sa oops. Itong box ito. Cute itong box ito. Ayan. The Little Box Business Wisdom. Brian Banashak. Practical insight for entrepreneur, professional, and business owner. Ayan. So, ito yun. Tutugan mo. Okay. Sa likod nito, babasahin. The Little Box of Business Wisdom. Whatever your business, profession, or trade, if you are in charge, you need to read this book. In short, swift strokes, you learn the essence of wisdom and success in business. From the beginning foundation of going into business to managing your finance, staying and track, and enjoying the process. The Little Book Business Wisdom does something of benefit for all business people. This revised edition is packed with 88 principles for business success. Business success, a great gift book for those just starting out for the business veteran alike. Brian Banashak has been graphic designer, whether advertising executive school, principal, pastor, entrepreneur, and publisher. He is founder of Genesis Communication and Evergreen Press. Brian and his wife Kathy enjoy their 7 grandchild and walk in the beach along the Gold Coast. Ayan, so ito yun. Alex, next na naman, buksan natin. Sabay-sabay. Ito na. Ito yung gunting. Ay, yung gunting. Ito. Ito, mas malaki ito. Tining. Dito lang ako nag-focus. Marami ito. Yan. Sa kambandol to in order ko dito. Okay. Okay. Ito, income, money, magnet. Attract wealth, find abundance, and take control of your finance. Marie Claire Carlinley. Yan. Intact and take just 21 days to establish a new habit. This powerful 21-day program from transformational coach Marie Claire Carly will provide you with practical tools to attract wealth, prosperity, and success in your life. Learn how to change your negative belief about money in positive statement. Start attracting more money into your life immediately using a principle from the law of attraction. Create your own affirmation or become a money magnet. Find your breakthrough moment in money management and take control of your finance. Makabuo na naman ako ng library dito. No, ayan. Okay. Great. CEO are crazy. Parang ako to ah. Baliw na CEO daw. Great na baliw na CEO. Crazy man. Oh. CEOs are crazy. Great CEOs are lazy. Lazy die. Great CEO are lazy. Oh, exceptional CEO do more in less time. Jim Scalexter. Oh. How do you really exceptional CEO get more than time everyone else? What their technique or getting from task their work done still having time spend pushing habit spending quality with friends, family. The truth is the great and lazy CEO now secret what is come the management rather the spending need time a lot of things. The CEO spend most of their eliminating the single biggest constant of the growth their business. They spend a lot of diagnosing contents before taking action. This process is similar looking for the end of garden so you can plug in again. So next kumuna wala pa ako tapos. Okay. Yeah. Ito. Cuma ako kumuk dito. Okay, kay Diary of CEO, the 33 Law of Business Life. So, kay Steven Bartler. Pero hindi na ako pisahin sa likod. Okay. Kini kay Negotiate Like a CEO. Ayan, kay Jutani's team. Ganda to. Okay, bukas na ulit tayo. Bago pang-upload ko tayo sa YouTube video. Okay. Alright, so, next. Buksan na ulit natin. So, pakita mo. Management for hiring and firing to imparting now skill essential guide management strategy. Uy, 101. Yan. Ako, meron na po ka. Happy employees. Yan. Kititing. Okay, yan. Daghan na akong wisdom ito. Gangay kong mentor, oh. Proud my mentor. My box mentor. Huh. Okay. Tanang. Ito last. Kasi dami na lipitin ito. Kasi nagkalat na ito. Ito iniinit ng ating barko. Oops. Yan. Okay. Kay they will never kita negotiate doble. Nako na doble gini akong duwa man. Ako to, okay lang. Oh, so ito yung mga books natin ngayon. Ito yung kayamanan natin. So, okay. Bye-bye. Mama. Bye-bye.